Welcome to this workshop today. Today we're having the Managing Reference Citation with RefWorks. Okay, my name is Doris, and we're going to use the 45 minutes to get yourself familiar with RefWorks. And can you first let me know if you have already registered for a RefWorks account? Please use the chat in the Zoom to let me know, saying yes. Okay. So I have one yes. Anyone else who have registered for RefWorks account already? Okay, three. I have three of you here. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so at least I know three of you are already started the most tricky part. Okay, so this is what we're going to go through today. So first, I'm going to walk you through how you registered for your own account. And then I'm going to show you how you can organize and then manage your research. I'm going to show you how you can share your citation collection with other users and how you can save references from the web using RefWorks. And then I'm going to share with you how RefWorks can help too when you write your papers in a Word document. Okay, so first things first, today's we're going to talk about research. RefWorks, right? This is one of the tools that offered by the library. So it's free for all CUHK student and teacher to use. As long as you're one of us, then you can freely open an account. Okay. And so just follow me here. I'm going to show it to you. So first, you just need to go visit the library here. So this is the library page. If you haven't have a RefWorks account, so just open the library page here and then click this link, RefWorks. After you click the link, it will bring you to this page, giving you the clear instruction, okay, of RefWorks. Then you just need to click log in to Progress RefWorks. Okay, so very straightforward. First, go to the library page and then click under the RefWorks link. Then you should get yourself in here. Okay. If you already have your RefWorks account, good, then you can just log in here. If you haven't, then you have to roll it down and then you will see this link, create account. Okay, everyone see this one? So if you have not a RefWorks account, you have to click this one now, create account. See my mouse? Okay, click into it. Then they will first ask you, enter your institutional email to begin. So this one is your CUHK email address. So you have to log in using your CUHK email address to create an account because we paid for it. So if you want to open an account for yourself, you have to use the CUHK account. It won't work, okay, it will not work if you use a QQ or you use Gmail or any other account. It will only works if you type in your CUHK email. Okay, so after you click the RefWorks links, you will see this login button. Click on it and then find this create account link here. And then create your account by using your CUHK email. And then once you finish, they will then ask you that and recognize that you're one of the CUHK members, then you can just simply key in a password. Set your own password, okay? You have to use at least 6 or more characters. Only letters and numbers is allowed. Okay, and then you can click signed up. Remember, you have to remember your own password. The library won't cap it for you, so you set your own password. And after you set your own password, an activation email will send to your email account, will send to your CUHK email account. So to check email, please go to your cuhk.edu.hk 0365. Please be reminded that the activation email will very likely be in the junk email box. So if you cannot find it in the inbox, please go check it in the junk email box. Okay, just use the Zoom check function to let me know if you have completed the above. Okay, or if you already have a registered account already, then you can use the chat to let me know. Okay, we have around 11 of you here, so I'll wait until half of you, okay, at least half of you have registered your account before I'll move on, okay, because this is the most important part, to open your account and register an account. Otherwise, the rest that I'm going to do and show you, you won't be able to follow, okay? So give yourself a bit of time to open a RefWorks account, and then after you receive the registration email, click on it, then it should help you to activate your account and let you get into your RefWorks account. After you have finished opening your account, use the Zoom chat function to let me know, okay? For those who just come in, we are doing the first part, okay? We're doing how to register for a RefWorks account. So what you need to do is go to the library page, look for the RefWorks buttons, if you have just joined us, and then click this login link, and then click the create account link at the bottom of the page. And then you have to use your CUHK email to register for an account. Set your own password. When it is done and you click sign up, an activation email will send to your CUHK email. Go check under the junk mailbox, then you should be able to find that email. Okay, if you are done with it, okay, please use the Zoom function to let Doris know, okay, so that I can move on with the rest of the sharing. Anyone need help? If you are getting stuck, you can use the chat function to communicate with us as well. Okay, because I can't see your screen. If you need help, just use the chat function to let us know. Good. I have one finish. Anyone else finish? You need to let me know if you have finished. Otherwise, I don't know whether I should move on or not. Thank you, thank you. I have 3 more finished. So let's move on then. Okay, so you have done the most tricky part already. Okay, and here is what you should see. Okay, if you just create your RefWorks account, okay, you should see nothing here, okay, because you won't have any documents in here yet. And the first part of our workshops today is I want to help you to create folders, because later on when you're getting more and more references into your RefWorks account, you need a good way to help you manage and organize it. And one way to help you better organize the things in your account is with folders. So the first thing you can do is create folders. What you then need to do is just click on this add a folder button. Okay, under my folders, you will see add a folder. And then you can name the folder and then click save. Then the new folder will appear under your folder. Okay. So you can also add subfolder underneath the folder you just create. Okay. And I'll do it with you together. So let me first sign into my account. So this is my account. You can see my name here, Doris Chan. And I've chosen to use the English display. But if you're more comfortable with other languages, you can always change, okay? And on the left, okay, you will see most of the options here. And my folder is what I want to show you now. So I click on my folder. If I want, I can then create a new folder, okay? So let's say I want to click add folder. Okay, and then I'll input the folder name, RefWorks 2020, and then click save. Then you see the folder I've just created will be on the left, and then the number next to it will be 0 because I still haven't put anything into this folder yet, right? So you can try do the same. Okay, this is your first practice. Try to create a folder RefWorks 101. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay. Anyone else need help? Anyone get stuck in the registration of the account? Good. Seems most of you have finished creating your account. And creating the folder is quite straightforward, right? So done. Good. Then we can move on. Because now you know how to create your account. You know how to create folders. Then I need to show you how you can put things into your RefWorks account. Okay, there are a number of ways for you to create a collection or create citation information into your account. First is like enter the citation information manually. Second way is to import it from databases. And then you can also import it from saved files. Okay, so we're going to walk you through one by one. So first, I want to show you how you can enter citation information manually. Look to the left under the RefWorks word, you will see the plus button here. Click on it, then you will find this option, create new references, enter citation information manually. Okay, so you click on it. Okay, for example, if I finish reading this book, I want to import the information into my account. Okay, the information I may need is the author's details, okay, the title of the book, the publication day, publisher detail, and the publisher location, etc. Okay, then once I click the create it by manually enter, then they will have a pop-up window like this one. The first thing I need to do is then select the reference type. Under this example, we want to import the Harry Potter book information, right? So I just select book, and then I input the title, okay, and I give the author details, okay, last name first, okay, and followed by a comma and then the initial, okay, and then the publication date. And then if you're happy with it, then you can just click save. Then you will see, okay, the first record will be added. Okay, you can click on this record and then you will see again on the right hand side a pop-up window will come up. You can always edit the record by clicking this pencil button. Then you can edit everything here. Okay, so this is how you manually import things into your RefWorks account. But this option, I have to say, we rarely use it, right? Because normally it will take us ages if we have to type in information one by one. So I bet most of the time you will just import the information directly from those databases. Okay. Let's say if this is the citation that you use and you want to now create a reference list. That is very straightforward. You just need to tick the citation that you want to create a reference list. Tick this and then click on this double quotation mark. Okay, and then select create bibliography. Okay, then the reference list will pop up and it's already done. Okay, so very straightforward. To create a reference, select the references that you want to be in the list, tick, 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 and then click this double quotation mark. Okay, and then click create bibliography. Okay, and then you can just copy and paste it into your Word. Okay. So I want to try the second way of importing information to your RefWorks account. Okay, I believe this one is an option that you guys will use most often. I'm going to take this one as an example. The article name here is the client participation in managing social work service. So let me demonstrate to you how I'm going to do this. Okay. I will be like, let's say I'm doing a research in the library search, okay? And let's say I find this article useful and I download it and I read it and I quote from it, use it for my assignment. And now I want to put the information into my RefWorks. Then what you then need to do is just get this article and click on the article title to get into the details record of this particular article. Then you will see for the same article, the library will have the library might have different options. You might able to view it under different platforms. For this scenario, you can view the record in Progress. Then you just click on it. Then once you arrived in the Progress database platform, you can then click this button, Cite. Then you will see there will be a RefWorks button here. Okay. Once you click on it, then they will ask you, are you sure you want to import the information into your RefWorks account? And then what information you want to put in, citation, abstract, or indexing. Okay, just select the thing you need and then click continue. Then you will see your RefWorks account will be talking with the Progress account. Okay, then they will ask you, do you want to export the information to your RefWorks? If yes, then just click yes. Because most of you just create your account today, so I believe you're using the latest version. Okay, but if you're using the old legacy RefWorks, then you can click this one. But this legacy one better not click. If you're still using the legacy one, I'll advise you to switch to the latest version. Okay, so if you're using the new one, just click yes, export to the newest version of RefWorks. Then you will see the two systems will talk. Okay, and then there will be a pop-up page like this asking you where do you want to place this new reference into. I can then say, oh, I want to put it into my RefWorks 2020 folder that I just create, and then click import. So everything is just a click of a button. Then you'll see the information will be here. Okay, you can click on the title and then this pop-up will come up. Then you can double check to make sure all information here is correct, like the title, author, the volume, issue, page number. If they are all correct, then you just cross it out. If you want to edit any of the things down below, just click this button. Very straightforward, right? What I want to show you is apart from Postgres, okay, the library do subscribe to different platform. And for different platform, okay, they will offer you to do the same, but that particular button might look different. Like say for the Postgres platform that we just look at it together, the button we need to click is the Cite button, right? Once you click Cite, then you can export things to your RefWorks, right? But then if you are in other platform, okay, you need to look carefully to check for the same button. They will have the same button there. The only difference is they might be named under different things. For example, if you are in the gesture art and science platform, okay, you might see they will have the button cite this item. Once you click on it, they will offer you similar thing. You can export the details into your RefWorks account. Okay, they will ask you the same question. Do you want the yes, the new RefWorks? Then you just say yes. Then you should able to do the same. And also for the apps code platform, you can find the button on the right hand side, but this time the button will be called export. So you need to trial and click. Okay, there will be a button there, maybe under different name. Let's say this time we click the export, then you will see the same function, direct export to RefWorks. Then you just click save. Okay, so you'll experience the same. Okay, and I want to draw your attention to this particular database because this 中國期刊全文數據庫 China Journal CJN is one of the major Chinese article database that the library has subscribed to. And they also support the loading of information into your RefWorks account, but it works a little bit different. Okay, let me do it with you together. Okay, I will do it like this. Okay, first I want to go to that particular database, so I need to click under e-resources because this time I'm not doing a search. I want to look for a database, so I click e-resources. And then after you click e-resources, I will click type. Okay, so e-resources, type. And under the right-hand side column, databases by major web gateway, you will see the CJN links here. 中國期刊全文數據庫. Okay, it's in the middle. Okay, because under the same company, they have different products. And today I want to share with you this one. 中國期刊全文數據庫. Click into it. Okay, this is a very useful database, but I'll first begin the search in 高級檢索 advanced search. After you click advanced search, you can search by keyword, subject, article's name, author's name, etc. I'll just stick with 主題 the keyword. Okay, then I place the keyword I want. Let's say I want to search for article related to early education, and then click search. Okay, let's say, for example, the first one, I want to use the first article in my work, and now I want to load the information to my Ref account. Then all I need to do is just check the article that I want to load to my Ref account. Okay, and then look for this double quotation mark. And then you will see a pop-up image like this one. Okay, so let me do it again. After you finish your search, tick the articles that you want to load into your RefWorks account. Tick, tick here. And then look for this double quotation mark here. Okay, a pop-up window coming up. You can see RefWorks here, right? So click RefWorks. Then they will ask you to save a text file in your computer. So just click save. Okay. When it is done, when the file is saved, okay, just please return it back to your RefWorks account. Okay, again, click this plus button. Okay, we first click this plus button when we want to input information manually, right? And now we have a text file we want to load into your RefWorks account. Then you just click import, import references. Okay, select a file from your computer. So I'll just go back and then select the file I just download from that CNKI website. And then they will ask me import references. Is it the one that you want? If it is, then just click import. Then again, they will ask me where do I want to place the new record. I can say, please place it to the folder RefWorks 2020. Then you will see the references here. So RefWorks do support both English and Chinese as well. Okay, so you can also import Chinese articles into your account. Okay, now I've talked a lot already, right? So what I want you to do now is, in here, what the demo I just showed you is I select one article and click that double quotation mark, right? There might be a chance that you want to select more than one article, okay? Let's say in here, I've selected 2 articles. If you selected 2 or more articles to load into your RefWorks account, then after you select it, okay, then you can look for this button, 導出與分析, 導出文獻, and then you will see the RefWorks links here. This will allow you to export multiple article information into your RefWorks account. So take the one you want, click this 導出與分析, and then 導出文獻, and then click RefWorks. Okay. Then they will then ask you to select RefWorks again, and then you can click 導出. Then the information will be saved in a .txt file. What you then need to do is do the same. Click this plus button, click import references. Okay, select the file from your computer, and then click import, and then select what folder you want to place it into. Then the 2 articles will be then in your account. Okay, so before we move on, I want to give you a chance to have hands-on. Okay, you can try to first go to the library website. Under library search for this article, Gender Development in Transgender Preschool. Okay, see if you can open the article in the database platform and find that button to export the information into your RefWorks account. Or if you want, you can try this one. Go to the CNKI platform and then use the keyword 遊戲教材 or any other keywords you can think of to do a search and then see if you can import the article's detail into your RefWorks account. Okay, try it out so that if you have question or if you are stuck, we can help each other here. You can use the Zoom function to communicate with us. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go. Okay, let me do it with you together. Okay, for the gender for the gender article, I'll just go to a library page, run a search, and then the first article pop up will be the one I want. So click on it, Gender Development in Transgender Preschool Children. And then there might be several platforms that can give me the same article. If you choose EBSCO, click on it. Okay, go down and look to the right-hand side. If it is from the EBSCO platform, you should click this export button. Then you will see direct export to RefWorks. Click save. Then the two platforms will communicate. Okay. Then you will see they will ask you where you want to place the article, and then you can just click import. Then the information will be here. Okay. But if you choose to click another platform like this Wiley one, after you click Wiley, then you need to look for that button. Let me try tools. Yeah, then export citation. Okay, then you can see RefWorks here. So under tools, export citation, and then you can see RefWorks, and then you click download. So again, the two will communicate and tell the system which folder you want to place the information into, and then it's done. Okay. For CNKI, okay, I've mentioned that I'll try the keyword. So once you arrive in this database, click Advanced Search, place any keywords that you want, and then click Search. And after you select the articles that you want, just check this button and then look for the double quotation mark. Okay, and then click RefWorks. Save the files. Okay, then go back to your Ref account and click this plus button again to import the references. Okay, so just open the file that you want and then click import. Then you will see the the articles. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, so I hope by now you're more familiar with how to input information into your RefWorks account. And the next function I want to show you is, let's say before today, okay, you have already done your research, okay, you already have a bunch of PDF files with you. Okay, so one way if you want to put those PDF files into your RefWorks account is, of course, you can enter the information manually, right? By clicking this plus button and then create new reference manually. But you can also try this one, upload documents. You can click plus and then upload documents. As long as the PDF files that you have is with the digital object identifier, then once you upload the file, select the files that you want and then click open, then RefWorks should able to talk with the PDF files and then should able to extract the information from the PDF files, like the author's name, article title, publication date, journal name, etc. Okay, if the PDF file got the digital object identifier. But if the files that you have do not have a digital object identifiers into it, then they will just upload the PDF into the RefWorks. You will then have to use this pencil button to manually import the information into your account. Okay, so clear? So the key to have this one done is whether your PDF files have the digital object identifiers with it, okay? And files like if it is containing an image of text instead of a real text. So I mean here is if your PDF file is like this, is a PDF files containing image of text rather than text, then it won't work. If the PDF files initial page contains a library generated copyright page, then it won't work. And if the PDF files have the image and the rest of the document contain text, then it won't work. Okay, so be mindful of this. But even if it don't work, then not to worry, that you just need to import it manually, type in the information. But it's still nice that you will have your PDF file attached together with the citation details. Okay, and like as time gone by, you might have more and more information in your RefWorks account. You might have more and more citation into it. Then you need to make use of the search box here in your RefWorks account, because you can just type in a search keyword and then they will help you to search for the articles that contain that particular keyword, like Google search. Okay, so this is the search function. Okay, and then you can also have this function to help you when you have more and more articles. There might be duplications in it. So you can click this tools button, okay, on the right hand side. Next to the search button, you will find this tools and then find duplicates. Once you click on it, the RefWorks will help you to run, and then they will ask you to select from two options. You can find the duplicate by close match, okay, which is exactly match. A close match is nearly exactly, but you can also try to do an exact match, which everything in the citation are exactly the same. And then you can click find duplicates. Okay, once you find the duplicate list here, okay, you can tick the duplicate items and click this bin if you want to delete it, okay, or you can just keep it everything. Okay, so they will have the search function and the find duplicate function to make your life easier. Okay, and maybe later on, if you build up your RefWorks account, you might want to share the collection in your RefWorks account with maybe your tutor. Then you can click this button, share folders. Okay, and then you can choose which files to share, and then you can choose who you want to share with, and also limit the share right from can read, can annotate, can modify. Okay, and then you can just select from only invite people may access, or anyone within your institution can have access to the folder. And then you can also click share with and then type in the email address here. Okay, so this is how you can share your RefWorks with other people. And with RefWorks, they offer you with one special function. Apart from helping you to store the article information, books information, you can also get help from RefWorks if you need to capture website information. Okay, but if you want to do this, you need to do one thing. You need to click this button and then click tools. And then you need to drag this button. You click on it, install, save to RefWorks, and then you have to drag this button up to your browser toolbar. Okay, so just click on it and mouse over and then drag it all the way up to the toolbars. Okay, okay, let me quickly show it to you. Okay, I have my toolbars here already, right? This is my toolbar. If your browser do not have this toolbars showing, then you have to first make sure this toolbar will show. I'm using Chrome. So for Chrome user, you can just click this three dot and then click bookmark, and then you can click show bookmarks bar. Okay, then you will see the bookmark, and then you can click this tool button, click tools. Then you will see this install save to RefWorks, click on it. Then you can see this gray button. Okay, use your mouse, the left hand button, you can then click on it and then drag it all the way up there. Okay, let me do it here. Okay, then you see this button, Save to RefWorks. It's now here. Okay, so if you are not using Chrome, let's say if you are using Firefox, then you need to click again on the right hand side, click Customize, and then in the bottom you can click Bookmarks Tour. Okay, you want to show this Bookmarks Tour, and then click Exit Customize. Then you should able to see the bookmarks up for you. Okay, so after you drag the Save to RefWorks button to your toolbars, then, for example, I'm reading this pieces of new article 5 from BBC News, okay? 5 ways the virus has changed snack facts, okay? I think this is useful and related to my paper. Then I can then just click this button, Save to RefWorks, Then RefWorks will talk to BBC, okay? Then they will notice that the type of references time you want to upload to your account is the newspaper type. And then you can check whether they get all the title information, date, etc., information correct. If it's correct, then just click Save to RefWorks. If not, you just edit it yourself, okay? Let's say I find it okay, then I can click Save, and again, they will ask me which folder I want to place the information into. Then I can import, then I can just fill the information, okay, in my RefWorks account. So you can see the 5 ways the virus has changed snack facts news article, citation information will be in my account. Okay, so if you want, you can do the same. Okay, so the key is, I'll show you again. Click this tool button, then select tools. Okay, click install, save to RefWorks, and then just click and then drag this thing to your toolbars. Okay, and then find a news page or any website, and then click save to RefWorks. Then the information should be in your account by just a click. The time is ticking, so I won't do this practice with you, but you can do it afterwards. Just open any web page like BBC News, South China Morning Post, and then after you install that RefWorks button, it should work. Okay. And then the last thing I want to show you today is create citation or bibliography. Okay. So let's say I am writing my paper. Okay, I'm in the middle of, and here I just finished doing a direct quotation. Okay, then I can use RefWorks. Okay, I can go to my RefWorks account, tell RefWorks, okay, this time I've finished my paper here. Okay, I finished my paper 8, and in my paper 8, I have like 47 references. Here, then I can just click this, select all those pages, okay, and I can click this create button, and then quick cite. Tell RefWorks what citation style you're using. Maybe you're using APA, okay, like me, then just APA and then continue. And then let's say this one is the, let's say this one is the one you just want to do the direct quote. You need to do an in-text citation now. Just select this one, and then you can copy the citation and then go back to your Word document, and then you can just place it here. Okay, so let's say if you finish writing all your essay, and you can click continue. Okay, and then you can say include all the references in your folder. Then you can just copy the whole chunk and then paste it here. Okay, this is how RefWorks can help make your life easier when you're writing your article. So this is what I want to share with you today. I know you might have more questions afterwards, okay? If you do have any question, you can always contact us, come to our help desk, email, live chat, or WhatsApp.